Hi guys, do you want to know what is inside an American president? Let's find out his secret and how he works.
Looks like there are a lot of screws. And what do we have there? There is a hole. And you see that pointy thing in the middle of the torso? Well, that goes into the hole. What's inside Obama's head? I can't say that there's nothing in his head, but I can say that he has a clear mind. So clear your mind. The spinning wheel moves the torso up and down and up and down. And also with the torso we have movements of the hands and the head. Let's go even further and see what's inside Obama's pants. Well, we find the engine that powers the spinning wheels and, of course, the processor. Where is the processor in the pants? And we have the speakers and wires and LEDs and stuff.
Will he work? Let's check him out. He works!
What have we learned today? Well, we learned that science is very nice and funny and a lot of things. And guys, please press that like button and thank you so much for watching.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.